Okay, so here I'm going to be showing some examples of cutting a thermalite block using a skill saw. I'm just using a mid-range Makita skill saw, but more importantly, I'm using a wood blade to cut the block. Unlike a diamond blade, this is going to create a lot of plume and a lot of problems for you on site. I kind of find the dust created by this just a lot more coarser and just settles faster, and it's not really an issue when it comes to cutting on site. Obviously, you want to wear your necessary PPE while cutting with this. But if dust is a big issue, you can just plug a vacuum using the attachment that comes with the saw. Anything bigger than just say 80mm piece, I'll just mark and cut on one side of it because you can just snap it on the arrows of a block. As long as you just do it nice and true, you'll get a clean break on it. Even with a blunt blade, you're gonna see it cuts really nice, and I always flip the guard when I do it first. And with a gable cut, I'd always mark it and cut on both sides. Gives you a cleaner cut. It's kind of satisfying. Pretty clean, especially for what you're going to be using it for. If you're just looking just to take 20mm off the top of a block, just use the number guide that you get on the saw. I didn't even mark it, but I will cut it both sides though. Again, nice cut, no marking. There you have it, cutting thermalite block with a skill saw. Let me know what you think.